In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily strike through text in Microsoft Word. Striking through text can be particularly useful when you're drafting documents and want to show edits or changes that have been made. Imagine we're highlighting the text that needs to be deleted, offering an opportunity to view alterations without completely removing the original text. Let's start by navigating to your Microsoft Word file where you'll be making these edits. You'll want to open the document in which you've already composed some text. It could be anything from a draft you're working on to detailed notes. Once you have your document open, the next step is selecting the text you wish to cross out. This is a simple process. Click at the beginning of the text you want to strike through, and while holding down your mouse button, drag it across the words you want to include in your selection. Alternatively, you can hold the Shift key on your keyboard and tap the arrow keys to highlight your text precisely. It's important to be careful to select only the text you intend to strike through, ensuring accuracy and maintaining the integrity of your document. With your text selected, take a look at the top of your Word interface. You should be able to see various tabs such as Home, Insert, and Design. You'll want to click on the Home tab. In this tab, you will notice a group labeled Font, typically found on the left side of the toolbar. It contains icons for many text formatting options such as bold, italic, and underline. Within this font group, you'll see the button for strike through. It looks like the letters ABC with a horizontal line through them, designed to be intuitive and easy to recognize. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the strike through button, you'll see that your selected text now has a line through it, indicating the strike through effect has been applied successfully. And just like that, you've visually communicated that this text is meant to be disregarded or deleted, without removing it entirely from the document. With this straightforward method, you not only keep your document tidy, but also retain information that might be important to revisit later. This can be incredibly helpful when collaborating with others who need to see what has changed or why certain elements were revised. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to apply the strike-through effect in Microsoft Word. This simple yet effective tool can enhance your document editing and proofreading process, making you more efficient in communicating changes clearly. Play around with it, and you'll soon find it to be an indispensable part of your editing toolkit. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.